Welcome to Math Contest Drills for Filipino Kids. For this presentation, let us show the solution to MMC 2018 Elimination Round for Grade 4 pupils. This is part 2 of 2 parts, numbers 21 to 40. Let us begin with number 21. The sum of 3 consecutive whole numbers is 84. What is the value of the smallest among the 3? For our suggested solution, let us have 3 numbers in sequence, and the sum of these 3 numbers, consecutive whole numbers, is 84. The middle number must be the average of the 3. So let us divide 84 by 3, and the answer here is 28. The middle number must be 28, and the number before 28 must be 27, and that is the smallest among the 3. Next to number 28 must be 29. To check the answer, we can add 27 plus 28 plus 29, and that is equal to 84. Number 22. Miranda is making square handkerchiefs for her friends. How much lace does she need for the 4 handkerchiefs with side 22 centimeters? And if she has to allot 0.5 centimeters for the turning at the corners? Here is our suggested solution. The handkerchiefs is in the form of the square, and the perimeter of a square is equal to 4 times S, or the side. Then for each side, Miranda will be using 22 centimeters plus 0.5 centimeters. So each side of the handkerchief will be 22.5 centimeters. Since the perimeter of a square is 4 times the length of its side, then each handkerchief will be 4 times 22.5 centimeters in perimeter, and that is equal to 90 centimeters. Miranda will be making 4 handkerchiefs, so we have 90 times 4. Miranda will be needing 360 centimeters of lace. Number 23. What is the area of the shaded region in figure number 23? Here is our suggested solution. Notice that the figure is a rectangle where the length is equal to 15 centimeters. We have 8 centimeters plus 5 centimeters, and this is equal to 2 centimeters. Also, the width is equal to 6 centimeters. Then the area of the rectangle is equal to 15 times 6 centimeters. That will be equal to 90 squared centimeters. But we are only looking for the area of the shaded region. We have 2 triangles of the same base and the same height. If the rectangle has a width of 6 centimeters and we have 2 centimeters on the figure, then the height of the triangle is equal to 4 centimeters. Also, the base is 5 centimeters, then this forms a parallelogram with height 4 centimeters and base 5 centimeters. And the area to that parallelogram will be equal to 4 times 5. This is equal to 20 squared centimeters. Hence, the area of the shaded region would be 90 squared centimeters minus 20 squared centimeters. That is the area of the 2 triangles. This is equal to 70 squared centimeters. Number 24. 2 congruent right triangles are inside a 10 by 15 rectangle as shown in the diagram. What is the area of the shaded region? For our suggested solution, we will use the same solution as in number 23. This is a rectangle with height 15 centimeters and base 10 centimeters. We're going to subtract the area of the 2 congruent right triangles with base equal to 5 centimeters and height equal to 15 over 2 or 7.5 centimeters. Hence, the area of the shaded region will be equal to the area of the rectangle minus twice the area of the right triangle. And that is equal to 15 times 10 minus 2 times base is 5 times height is 7.5 divided by 2. 2 over 2 is equal to 1. 15 times 10 is equal to 150 square centimeters. And 5 times 7.5 is equal to 37.5 squared centimeters. And this is equal to 112.5 squared centimeters. Number 25. Determine the volume of the figure number 25 below. Here is our suggested solution. For our solution, let us cut the figure into two rectangular prisms. The base is 15 centimeters and the thickness of the figure is 2 centimeters. Hence, if we cut the figure into two rectangular prism, then we will have the other rectangular prism with base equal to 13. That's 15 minus 2. Then we have two rectangular prism with dimensions 5 centimeters, 13 centimeters, and 2 centimeters. Therefore, the volume of the figure will be equal to 2 times the rectangular prism, whose base is 13 centimeters, width is 5 centimeters, and the thickness is 2 centimeters. 2 times 13 is 26, 5 times 2 is 10. Then the volume of the figure is 260 cubic centimeters. Number 26. What is the sum of the first 10 prime numbers? Our solution, let us list all the first 10 prime numbers and add them. So we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. We need one more, that is 29. Then we have 2 plus 29, that is 31. 3 plus 23, that is 26. 5 plus 19, that is 24. 11 plus 17, that is equal to 28. Then we have 7 plus 13, that is equal to 20. So we have 57, that's 31 plus 26, plus 52, plus 20. Then the sum is equal to 129. Number 27. Mona, Sarah, Tina, and Lily each ate a different kind of pizza for afternoon snacks. After eating, there was 1/4 of the cheese pizza left, 1/3 of the Hawaiian pizza left, 1/2 of the pepperoni pizza left, and 5/8 of the vegetarian pizza left. Mona ate the most, Sarah ate the least, Tina ate more than Lily. What kind of pizza did Tina eat? For our suggested solution, let us arrange the pizza according to the amount that was eaten. And to do that, let us convert the fractions into similar fractions. So we have 1/4 of the cheese pizza that was left, 1/3 of Hawaiian, then we have 1/2 of the pepperoni. Also, we have 5/8 of the vegetarian pizza. Now the LCD is 24. 24 divided by 4 is 6 times 1. 24 divided by 3 is 8 times 1. 24 divided by 2 is 12 times 1. 24 divided by 8 is 3 times 5, that's 15. Hence, the amount of pizza that was left are arranged in ascending order. So that means the most pizza that was eaten was cheese, and from the problem, it says Mona ate the most. So Mona ate the cheese pizza. Also, Sarah ate the least, since there is a 5/8 of the vegetarian pizza left, then that means Sarah ate the vegetarian pizza. Tina ate more than Lily. Since there are more pepperoni pizza that was left than Hawaiian, then it was Tina who ate the Hawaiian pizza and Lily ate the pepperoni. What kind of pizza did Tina eat? Then it's Hawaiian pizza. 28. Francisca, a young employee, has a monthly take-home pay of 10,000 pesos. She saves 1/5 of this and spends 1/4 on her personal expenses. What fraction of 10,000 pesos is left for her family expenses? Give your answer as a fraction in lowest terms. For our suggested solution, let 1 be the fraction, or the fraction that represents 10,000 pesos. Then we subtract 1/5 of it. Also, we subtract 1/4. The LCD is 20. Then we have 20 over 20 minus 4 over 20, that is 1/5, minus 5 over 20, that is 1/4. Then we have 20 minus 4 times minus 5, that is equal to 11 over 20. That's the fraction of the 10,000 pesos that was left for her family's expenses. 29. Robbie decided to decorate his room. The total area of the walls was 78 square meters. If one roll of wallpaper can cover 5 square centimeters of wall, how many rolls of paper did Robbie need? Express your answer as a decimal rounded to the nearest tenths. For our suggested solution, we're going to divide 78 by 5. So that will be 78 divided by 5. We have 1 times 5, subtract, bring down 8. So that would be 5 times 5, 25, subtract. That will be 3. Then let's get a decimal, bring down 0. 30 divided by 5 is 6. Hence, that is equal to 15.6. Number 30. Shidara stores coal in a rectangular prison container, which is 3 yards long, 2 yards wide, and 2 yards high. If coal costs 550 pesos per cubic yard, how much will it cost to completely fill the container with coal? For our suggested solution, let us first solve for the volume of the rectangular prism container, and that will be equal to 3 yards times 2 yards times 2 yards. That is equal to 12 cubic yards. Since each cubic yard of the coal costs 550 pesos, then we're going to multiply 550 by 12. 0 times 2 is 0. 5 times 2 is 10. Then 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1, 11. 0 times 1 is 0. 5 times 1, 5 times 1. Then let us add. That will be 6,600 pesos to completely fill the container with coal. Number 31. I am a parallelogram which is rectangle and also a rhombus. What am I? We know that a parallelogram has opposite sides equal. And if it is a rectangle, then all angles must be right angles. A rhombus has all sides that are equal. Hence, the parallelogram that is a rectangle and a rhombus is called a square. Number 32. Find the value of A so that the volume of the solid figure below is equal to 396 cubic centimeters. Here is our suggested solution. To find the volume of the solid figure, we must get the volume using length 12, width 4, and height 9. And since there is a cut portion of the solid figure with base A, height A, and width 4, then the volume 396 cubic centimeters must be equal to 12 times 4 times 9 minus A times A times 4. So we have 396 equal to 12 times 4 is 48. And then 48 times 9 is equal to 432 minus 4a squared. That's 4 times a times a. Then we have 4a squared is equal to 432 minus 396. So we have 4a squared. 432 minus 396 is 36. We divide both sides by 4 and get a is equal to 9. Or a squared is equal to 9. Then getting the square root of both sides, we'll get a is equal to 3. Number 33. Miguel is building a rectangular box for his project with volume 240 cubic centimeters. If the base of the box is 8 centimeters long and 3 centimeters wide, how high should the box be? For our solution, let us use the formula for the volume of a rectangular solid that is equal to the base times the width times the height. Or we have the base times the length times the width. So we have 240, that is the volume, equal to 8 centimeters, that is the base, times 3 centimeters, that is the width. And we're looking for the height of the box. Let h be equal to the height. So we have 240 equals 24 times height. Let us divide both sides of this equation by 24. Then the height must be equal to 10 centimeters. Number 34. A daughter is 10 years old. Her father is 4 times her age. After how many years will the father's age be twice the daughter's age? For our suggested solution, let n be the number of years to pass so that the father will be twice the daughter's age. At present, the daughter is 10 years old. So in n years, she will be 10 plus n years old. Also, the father is 40 years old, and in n years, he will be 40 plus n. After n years, the father should be twice as old as the daughter, so that we are going to multiply the age of the daughter by 2, so that these two values will be equal, since 10 plus n is half 40 plus n. Let us apply distributive property on the left-hand side. That will be 2 times 10 and 2 times n. This is equal to 40 plus n. Let us subtract n from both sides, and simultaneously let us subtract 20 from both sides. That will be 2n minus n equals 40 minus 20. Therefore, n is equal to 20 years. Hence, in 20 years, the father's age will be twice the daughter's age. 35. The sum of Rod and Wen's age is 48 years. Rod is twice Wen's age. How old is Rod? For our suggested solution, let us represent Rod and Wen's age using blocks. So we have Rod and Wen. Rod is twice Wen's age, so let us represent Rod's age by a block that is twice the length of that block or box representing Wen's age. Since Rod is twice as old as Wen, then we can cut Rod's representation of his age by 2. Then this will be equal to 3 blocks representing Wen's age. The sum of these ages is 48, since Rod and Wen's age has a sum of 48 years. So we have 3 of this block representing Wen's age equal to 48. We divide this by 3, then each block representing Wen's age is equal to 16. Therefore, Wen is 16 years old and Rod is 16 times 2, that is 32 years. Number 36. How many hours and minutes are there between 4:15 a.m. and 9:23 p.m. in the same day? For our solution, let us find the number of minutes from 4:15 a.m. until 12 noon of the same day, and from 12 noon until 9:23 p.m. of the same day. So let us subtract 12 minus 4:15. Let us borrow 1 from 2. That will be equal to 60 minutes. Then this will be 5 and this will be 10. So we have 5, 4, 7 hours and 45 minutes. And from 12 noon to 9:23 p.m., that is 9 hours and 23 minutes. 9:23 plus 7:45, that is a total of 8, 6, and 16, that is equal to 17 hours and 18 minutes. Number 37. Lydia starts to read a certain book on December 1st. If she reads 9.5 pages a day, how many pages would she have read by the last day of December of the same year? Our solution, December has 31 days. Then we're going to multiply 31 times 9.5. 1 times 5 is 5, 3 times 5 is 15, 1 times 9 is 9, 3 times 9 is 27. So we have 5, 4, carry 1, 9, 2. Lydia must have read 294.5 pages. 38. How many 2.5 kilogram bags of rice can be filled from a 50 kilogram bag? For our solution, let us multiply or let us divide 50 by 2.5. We have one decimal number in the divisor, then that will be 500, moving the decimal one place to the right in the dividend, divided by 25. 50 divided by 2, or 50 divided by 25 is equal to 2, and 50 minus 50 is equal to 0. Then we have to bring up the other 0. The answer is 20 bags. 39. During a bookstore anniversary celebration, a pen costs 5 pesos and 50 centavos each, while a pencil costs 3 pesos and 50 centavos each. Apolinario bought equal number of each item and paid exactly 72 pesos. How many of each kind did he buy? For our solution, let us divide 72 by the sum of 550 and 350. That will be 72 divided by 550 plus 350, since he bought equal number of each item. So that will be 72 divided by 9 pesos, and this is equal to 8. Hence, Apolinario bought 8 of each item. Number 40. Write the number 23,406 in words. When we write this in words, that will be spelled in the way we read it. Then that will be 23,406. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more math contest drills for Filipino Kids videos.